Our mission is justice, and we need people to want to come in here and help us build out that journey to justice.
Throughout the year, the United States District Court in Washington, D.C. and U.S. Magistrate Judge Zia Faruqui, like judges across the country, welcome high school students into their courtrooms for a unique immersive experience. It begins with a behind-the-scenes look at the people and jobs that make courts work, and it ends with a realistic courtroom simulation connecting students to the relevance of the Bill of Rights in their lives.
I want you to zoom out and understand the courtroom is like the human body, right? You have the brain, you have the heart, you have all sorts of different parts that get the machine going.
The students are part of a program with Just the Beginning, an organization dedicated to putting students on a successful path to a wide variety of legal careers.
This is a place that you can be in any one of the roles that they were introduced to today. And society is so much better when it looks like the students that are in the courtroom.
I have a degree in business and marketing. I moved from Texas here, looking for a job, got a job in the courthouse, and it changed my life. It actually changed my life.
I started getting more on the tech side, building apps for different contracts and all types of stuff. So I ended up here as a temp, and I fell in love with the court. It just means a lot to be a part of this organization, just to be here and get the mission.
Okay, next question. Who is a fast texter? Who is a fast texter? Okay, let's go down here at the end. Okay, so come on up with me. You're gonna be our court reporter. You're gonna sit right here.
So what do you want to do? What do you feel like you're good at? What interests you? What excites you? If you're super organized, maybe you're gonna want to work at the clerk's office. Do you love languages? Well, come be an interpreter. There's no requirement to be a lawyer for the vast majority of these jobs. You need to care about what we're doing, and you want to be a part of the team. That's all you need to have to be a part of this court family.
I had a lot of fun. I learned about all the people that go into making a trial happen, because previously I had thought, really just like it's the attorney and it's the judge and it's the bailiff.
I loved seeing how all of these different pieces came together to make this amazing place.
I started entry level and I became clerk of court. It's a career in the courts, and that's what I want people to know for today. I had never had a job before, and got out of college, and everybody was looking for experience. I didn't have that, but this court gave me a chance, and so that's what I want to do. I want to give back to a college student just like someone gave to me. It, for me, is shaping the future.
All rise.
The court program culminates in a realistic hearing in which every student participates as judges, lawyers, and jurors. They analyze a contemporary First Amendment issue about a student protest based on Tinker v. Des Moines, the landmark case that says students don't shed their free speech rights at the schoolhouse gate. After student lawyers make their arguments, coached by volunteer attorneys, the jurors grapple with the issues in a relatable school dress code policy.
So you mentioned free speech, right? Well, free speech is a pretty broad term. So could you, explain what free speech is and how exactly it was violated?
I would say that free speech for students specifically is allowing them to express themselves freely as long as it doesn't possess a harm to anyone else in the surrounding environment.
Okay, now, what about like simple shirts with simple wording? Like we know Nike, just do it. That's a simple wording. How does that affect education?
It doesn't necessarily affect education, but when everything is really opinionated, one person might wear a Nike shirt, one person might be love Adidas, and that might start conflict within students. So the schools
in this courtroom, no one loves Adidas.
It was really funny, and I liked the break from the regular serious courtroom. Everyone started laughing, and that was really, really nice to see.
What Judge Faruqui does is he shows the students that judges are just regular people, but he kind of embodies what we try to tell the students, that they understand their place in the judiciary. Hope that they can see themselves doing any one of those roles and understand the importance of it and, what their place is.
For us, it's the mission. I believe every person in this building thinks we're here for a reason. We're here to make sure people are getting a fair chance, that they have certain rights, they have to be protected, and that if something's happening that's wrong, it's our job as a courthouse family to make sure that the right outcome happens.
We want to help shape the future of the judiciary, the court. So why not start now while we can have a part? We can contribute to what the future of the court looks like by bringing in these young people and helping teach the culture